Imagine the next global pandemic. Would you allow an AI-equipped robot to administer a potentially life-saving vaccine? What if you live in a remote community and were in desperate need of an ultrasound? Would you put your faith in it then? This medical startup is betting the answer is yes.
Well, this is kind of a window into the future.
I think it's going to be able to disrupt the market in ways that would definitely help humanity.
This is Codi, the medical collaborative robot of the future. From robots designed to interact with, entertain and soothe patients, to more complex robots like the Da Vinci surgical system, robots are fast becoming fixtures in overstretched and understaffed healthcare systems around the world. But many of the most common and routine medical procedures are still performed by humans. The overworked nurses and medical technicians getting burnt out in record numbers. Cobionix, a medical startup based in Peterborough, Ontario, says it's found the solution and a sweet spot in the market.
So hi, my name is Nima Zamani, and I'm one of the co-founders and CTO of Cobionix.
Zamani and his co-founder Tim Laswell met in their first year of mechanical engineering at the University of Waterloo.
So we were kind of thinking about ideas for a year or so, how we can combine robotics and the healthcare industry. Then the pandemic happened, and then we were like, hey, this is a perfect opportunity.
The onset of COVID-19 provided a pressing problem to solve.
We did that as a kind of a proof of concept, how we can use autonomous robots and needleless vaccination technology to autonomously inject people. That was a big deal at the time because people were having a shortage of nurses, doctors, lab technicians to be able to administer the vaccinations.
Enter Codi. Unlike industrial robots, like those in auto manufacturing, a cobot, or collaborative robot, is designed for human-robot interaction.
What we want to focus is all the non-invasive stuff. So all this stuff that's not surgical, assisted feeding, muscle rehabilitation, ultrasound, all this stuff that just frees up the nurses to do the more important things.
The focus now is on diagnostic ultrasounds.
There's a huge amount of shortage in personnel in the healthcare industry, and it's only going to get worse as the population ages. There's already, for example, in the US, close to 10,000 openings for sonographers. They cannot find sonographers to do ultrasound. That's a huge problem, and that is in the US, which is, let's say, a first world country. You can imagine how much worse it is in other countries.
With the support of its team, investors, and Mars Discovery District, North America's largest urban innovation hub, Cobionix is charting the future of medicine and leveraging the power of Codi to fill the care gap in the system. But the question remains, will public perception evolve as fast as the technology itself? And how will human patients respond to robots in the doctor's office?